Hi everyone, I'm Priya, and in this video I will be discussing our group project Smart Bistro and the part that I contributed in this group project, which is introduction and project overview and high level requirement elicitation. So let's start with introduction and project overview. Let me give you the background of project. So Smart Bistro. Smart Bistro is a modern restaurant management system designed specifically for high volume urban restaurants. The main goal of this system is to integrate multiple restaurant operations into one centralized platform. Unlike traditional systems that mainly focuses on billing and customer service like order taking, Smart Bistro manages the complete life cycle of a meal from customer ordering, order taking to kitchen processing, inventory tracking, and even customer feedbacks and analysis. The need for such system arises from the increasing complexity of restaurant operations today. In a typical restaurant environment, there are multiple stakeholders involved, like customers, wait staffs, chefs, and managers. All of these stakeholders need to communicate and coordinate efficiently. However, when separate systems or manual processes are used, it can lead to delays and confusions, um, miscommunications, errors. For example, an order may not reach to the kitchen, or inventory may not be updated into the system on time, which can arise a lot of problems in the restaurant management. So, um, as discussed in our lecture slides as well, large system involves both breadth complexity, which refers to number of features and users, and depth complexity, which refers to interaction between components. Because of this complexity, structured and integrated system is necessary. And same thing happened with Smart Bistro as well. Smart Bistro addresses the challenges by combining key functionalities such as QR based ordering, kitchen display system, inventory management, and analytics into one platform. This allows real-time updates across all the components, reduces manual effort, keeps the inventory tracking and all sort of things updated, and improves overall efficiency and customer satisfaction as well. So now I will move on to the high-level elicitation for Smart Bistro. Requirements elicitation is one of the most important phases in software engineering because it helps us clearly understand what the system needs to do and what user expects from it. Poor or incomplete requirements can lead to project failure, so this steps is very crucial and it needs to be addressed very um, properly. For our project, we identified requirements by analyzing the business needs of restaurants and the interaction between different user systems. Um, so firstly, I'll discuss the functional requirements, which describes what the system is meant to do. Um, the Smart Bistro system the Smart Bistro system supports several core functionalities, like customers should be able to scan a QR code to access the menu, place order, and make payments directly from their table. Staff should be able to manage tables using a dynamic floor plan, including tracking whether tables are available, occupied, or reserved. The kitchen display should receive orders in real time and prioritize them based on preparation time so that all items for a table are ready together. The system should automatically update inventory whenever a dish is sold, ensuring accurate stock levels. It should generate alert when stock levels are low to avoid shortages. And the system should also provide analytics such as daily sales trends, popular menu items. Additionally, customer profile should store preferences and support a loyalty program. Let's move on to non-functionality requirements. It's basically how the system should perform. That involves performances, security, usability, reliability, scalability. So performance. The system must be able to handle multiple order taking at the same time. Security. It must ensure secure handling of customer data and payment transactions. Usability. This Interfaces should be simple and easy to understand for both customer and staff, even for users with limited technical knowledge. Reliability. The system should operate continuously with minimal downtime, as restaurant operations depend heavily on it. The system should be able to handle growth, such as more users or multiple restaurant branches in the future. So it should be scalable in the future. These are the non-functional requirements. These requirements were identified based on real world restaurant needs, business goals, and user interactions. Different stakeholders have different expectations, so it is important to consider multiple perspectives. Um, Rest part of the group project will be explained by my friends in their videos. So that was the part that I contributed into the group project. Thank you for listening. Thank you.